the links in the description below for everything that's in this build. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. I got some more videos like this coming. I actually just purchased a new set of mufflers. I got the Quiet Flows off from Jags. I'm gonna swap them out. They're supposed to be equivalent kind of like to the Flowmaster 50 series. I just can't do the 40 series anymore. They're way too freaking loud. So I bought the quietest ones. They're still 3-inch, still got long tube headers. So keep an eye out for that video where I get the new exhaust put on. We'll kind of compare the two mufflers. Thanks a lot, guys. If you're not already subscribed, please do so, and peace. Like, comment.